I'm going to show you how to get started painting a watercolor galaxy. So what you're going to need is some water, you're going to need some watercolor paint, a sheet of paper, a paintbrush, and just some regular table salt. Mine's in a little jar like this. So to do this, you want your watercolor paint to be really, really wet. And you can pick any color you want. It's your galaxy, and just like we saw in the Webb telescope piece, there's all sorts of colors out in space. So here I've got some real watery blue, and I'm going to go ahead and paint with it. Do you see how watery that is? So the deal is here, you're going to paint with really watery colors. Super watery. Do you see how that is? And then I want you to make a prediction about what do you think is going to happen when you add salt. So your teacher will pause the video here and your class can make some predictions. Okay, I'm back. My paint is still very wet, and so I'm going to put some salt on it, and we're going to have to see what happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually end up covering my whole sheet of paper with all sorts of different colors. And while the colors are wet, I'm going to add salt to them. So this purple is still wet. I'm going to add some salt, and I'm just going to keep going until my whole paper is done and I'm satisfied with it. And the watercolor galaxy piece is dry, and the salt is still on it. You can kind of see the salt. So what you can do at this point, well, first of all, let's make some observations about what has happened here. You can look at your own piece. What do you notice about the areas that you put salt on? And what do you notice about the areas that you don't have salt on? So you can pause and make those observations with your teacher. All right, yeah. So this is an area I put salt, and this is an area right up here where I didn't put salt. Do you notice how those areas look different? Why do you think those areas look different? What are some guesses or hypotheses that you can make about that?
So when we started this, we had paint, water, and salt. What happened to the water? Let's pause and talk about it.
Okay, so now what I want you to do is very gently, using your finger, just wipe the salt away. If you want to, you can kind of tilt your paper and give it a good shake, but I find wiping it gently with your finger is really the best method. Just wipe all that salt off. I had a lot of salt on mine. You can kind of feel it with your hands. Get the salt off as much as you can. Okay, now I've wiped all the salt off of my galaxy painting. What do you notice about the galaxy painting now? What happened to the areas where salt was placed? What happened to the areas where no salt was placed?